35, vacate taxiway Charlie, contact ground 121.7.
We have 21.7, United 1682. United 160 or 1630, RNP runway 7.
630 San Isidore, clear to land, the runway 07, wind calm.
Land United 1630. Comjet 855, approaching holding point 07 Alpha.
Comjet 855, heavy San Isidore, hold short, runway 07.
Hold short of runway 07, Comjet 855, heavy. 855, ready for departure.
5 heavy, roger, hold short, runway 07.
Runway 07, Comjet 855.
855 heavy behind the landing, Boeing 737 United, no 3 mile and final, line up and wait behind. Comjet 855 heavy, San Isidore.
Comjet 855.
Landing Boeing 787 United, no 2 mile and final, line up and wait behind.
Landing air traffic in sight, line up and wait behind 07, Comjet 855.
United 1630, 46, vacate taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
Alpha 217, United 1630.
United 855, wind calm, clear takeoff, runway 07.
Takeoff runway 07. RFP runway 07. Runway 07, delay 7.
Airborne 49, contact, radar 120.
0.8, Comjet 855, thanks, bye.
Hold short, runway 07.
Short 07, Southwest 99.
Land, runway 07.
Land runway 07, WA27.
San Isidore, ahead, landing, Airbus 320, JetBlue, no 3 mile and final, line up and wait behind.
We'll line up and be here.
54. Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
Zeta Bravo over to ground, point 7, actively 7.
And estimated com, clear for takeoff, runway 07. Land 29 Airborne 54, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Five one, clear for takeoff runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 4 knots.
So 151. We're ready to make one.
53 Sangster Tower, full short runway 07.
7, United 653.
United 653 Sangster Tower, line up and wait runway 07.
It is 653, line of weight, runway 7.
That's 151, airborne 16, contact Sangster radar 120.8, good day.
So decimal 8 for transit 151, have a great day.
Clear for takeoff runway 07, wind 100 degrees, correction, wind calm.
653, clear to take off, all right.
Route 446, 11 miles, runway 07.
2446 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, QNH 1011.
QNH 1011, and Route 446.
Factory airborne 18, contact Sangster radar 120.8, good day.
120.8, United 653, bye.
446, clear to land runway 07, wind 100 degrees, 3 knots.
Runway 07, and Route 446.
2446, arrive to tree, vacate by taxiway Alpha. Say parking.
Parking, we are getting via Alpha and we don't know about parking number 2446.
Taxi Alpha, hold short of Echo. When holding short, contact ground 120.7.
Alpha, holding short in Echo and 121.446.
American 2890, RNAV 7.
890, thanks, third tower, clear to land runway 07, wind calm.
Third land, runway 7, American 2890.
Arrive time 36, vacate the taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
36 for arrival, vacate on Alpha, ground point 7, American 2890.